This is a 2013 GMC Sierra SLE crew cab, two-wheel drive, one owner with 77,000 miles. Yep, 77,000 miles. This truck is gorgeous. For a 13-year-old truck and just in outstanding condition, one owner, rust-free, needs nothing. Like all of our vehicles, we perform a 125-point certified pre-owned inspection on everything that we sell. When you buy a vehicle from us, it will not need a thing. Certified pre-owned. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. If you find a comparable one for sale in our market, please let us know and we will gladly beat their price. So yep, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. Not going to find that anywhere in the market. For pictures, pricing, and undercarriage pictures, please feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com. That's autoparadisetx.com. It has a brand new sprayed-in bed liner done by us. It has a tow package. Vehicle is running. Again, it needs nothing. Completely rust-free. Go to our website again for a look at undercarriage pictures. Just in remarkable condition for its age. The tires are in great shape. It has running boards. Tow package, sprayed bed liner. Just a really good-looking truck. I love this color. Fog lights. It's 106 degrees right now, so you probably hear the fan running. So the beige cloth interior is just in remarkable condition. No rips, no stains, no wear marks. Look at the center console lid, usually cracked. $77,000 miles. No, it does not do that. That's from the video. AM, FM, CD. No peeling stickers or faded stickers. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. One owner, Carfax certified, no accidents. Again, just in wonderful, wonderful condition for a 2013. So again, this is a 2013 GMC Sierra SLE two-wheel drive, one owner, 77,000 miles, completely rust-free, in wonderful condition for its age, fully serviced, and needs nothing.